Welcome to State of Tech. Today we're going to take a look at eReader Prestigio for your Android devices. Open up the application and it brings us here into our bookshelf where I can see the books that I was recently reading. Now what's great about eReader Prestigio is that if I open up the side menu, you're going to notice that I can scan for files on my device, and then I can even import ebooks from my device. So not only can I buy books from eReader Prestigio itself, but I can also import ones that I already own that I might have bought on other platforms, or ones that I might have on my computer. I can put them on my device and read them through here. Now when you're in your main bookshelf, I see my recents. These are going to be books that I recently opened. I can tap on my books. These will be books that I owned or ones that I've imported. And then the store will give me the option to purchase new books. Now, when I was in that side menu, you might have noticed in the top left-hand corner, there's a cart, and then there's also a wallet. Those are where I can go ahead and add funds to my wallet, and that's going to allow me to purchase books, and I can see the books I have in my cart up there once I've added them from the store. But let's go ahead and focus on my books. This is where you're going to spend the main portion of your time, is reading books. So once you open up a book, we'll go ahead and open up the Secret City here. It's going to load in. You see the nice, beautiful cover artwork, and then it's the basic book reader from here. I swipe over to the right or left to either go forward in pages or go back in pages. There's a nice, beautiful animation of this page roll that I can see as I swipe over on my device. Now tap once in the middle of the screen and it's going to bring up all of our overlaid options. I have options for voice playback, so if I tap the voice icon on the top of the screen, it's going to go ahead and start reading me the book in my selected language. Go ahead and tap the pause button, and then tap here in the bottom left hand corner. I can choose the rate at which it's read, the pitch, change my languages, voices, and even voice search engines down here. So now we'll go ahead and close that. Tap in the middle of the screen again to bring up my options. Here I have some settings up here which will allow me to change my font style, the text size, the margin, even change if I want my phone to be in portrait only or landscape only, as well as going to a different theme. Now tap next to that one. It's going to give us kind of a little table of contents type of thing where I can do a part 1, part 2, or part 3. So those are going to be the different chapters in this book that I can quickly skip ahead to. Tap on the information button. This is going to show me the information about the actual book, where it's stored on my device, and I can even see recommended books based upon the one that I have right down here that I can go ahead and read. Now up in the top right hand corner, if I tap on the 3 little dots, I can edit the book, add it to my favorites, which it already is added to my favorites, so you can see that it's highlighted there. Synchronize my reading position so I can pick up on another device. Remove from recents, share my progress, and then even upload it to some of the more popular cloud storage options. Now come back out. We can even tap on the actual search button up there to go ahead and search. I can tap on this brightness to go ahead and change the actual physical brightness of my device. I can bookmark where I am. You see I've added a bookmark. I can tap refresh. In the bottom left hand corner, it's going to go ahead and synchronize. Then tap in there one last time, and in the bottom right hand corner, that's going to allow me to change my theme to either a day theme or a night theme, so that way it makes it easier to read if it's nighttime. Now we'll go ahead and tap in here. We'll come back out to the main menu. This brings me back out to all of my books where I can swipe through. Notice I have a search option up in the top left hand corner, and if I open up the side menu, I can go ahead and view my favorites, the store, my catalog, files, and again scan my device and go ahead and add books from my device. And then here in the main settings, I'm going to be able to choose my book folder on my storage, so I can either store it to my SD card if my device has one, or I can even change my theme down in here, and then choose synchronization options such as via Wi-Fi only to load high quality images over Wi-Fi, and then I can even load the application right into the last book I was reading instead of coming into the bookshelf. And I can synchronize and remove ads with an in-app purchase. So once again, this application is called eReader Prestigio. If you like it, pick it up for your Android devices in the Google Play Store.